All of the past projects I've worked on for the platform integration team, they've all been where we'd create a 3D model based off of something that exists in real life, which we're still doing here. But the difference is we're working directly with the modelers before we've even placed the parts where they're going to go. So we haven't quite decided yet, which is somewhat similar to some of the other projects we have where we're working with, say, shipbuilders to model the ship before it's built. Well, in this case, we're working with this drone plane that we're modeling before it's built, but also working with the modelers every day to give them videos, pictures, and whatever we can to show them the way things will be laid out so they can model it appropriately. So they've been chomping at the bit to get some detail from us about which wires go where, what'll be plugged in, how it'll be laid out inside the body, and we have to tell them we're not quite there yet. Sorry, we need to reposition some things. It's just not quite ready yet, but it's fun to see that 3D model. The first time I saw the 3D model of our drone, I was blown away as each part came apart and exploded and showed where it was going to be, and that's where we had put it there the day before. So it's so cool to see that really rapid development of the 3D model for our drone.